Hello, this is Anthony Wisdom, Mobile Interfaces and Usability, term 1306. This is my week 3 screencast. I've been working on this studio assistant program this week. I guess one of the easiest things for me this week was just getting all my different fields in here. It's pretty easy to build those. So that would probably have been the easiest task I had this week. Um, the hardest task was actually figuring out how to do these input hints right here, um, which I just kind of figured out a way to do it. I just added another label and used some CSS to change the color and the size of the font. Um, then, as far as things from previous courses, um, once again working with jQuery, HTML knowledge is vital. So that's what I kind of carried over from other courses, just my HTML knowledge. As far as research, I stayed on the jQuery mobile site, the demo site, just throughout the whole thing. Actually, not that one, but the 1.2. Um, aha moment, not so much this week. I kind of had, I guess going back to the hardest thing, I get really my hardest thing was internal storage. Um, Getting this thing to store, which it did, it will store. I'm just not sure exactly how well or if it's storing like it's supposed to, because I really was kind of unclear about how that was going to happen. Um, and I didn't take that out of there. Um, and as far as my justifications, I like the slide. I particularly like the slider for the hours just because it's easy to do. I decided to add an email field just because I think that would be kind of imperative in this type of situation or this type of app to have some kind of contact information for your clients. Um, I went with the checkbox here because you can do several different tasks in a given studio session. So, but with the microphone, you're pretty much only using one or two, on vocals or whatever not, or so. And then a section here just for miscellaneous notes or whatever not. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, I've enjoyed actually getting this thing to look better, and it, when you put it in comparison to the to my other crud, the other crud just seems to be kind of primitive at this point, But I really enjoy jQuery, and I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. That's Anthony Wisdom, Mobile Interfaces and Usability, Week 3 Screencast. Thank you. Have a good evening.